Hello students, today's topic is probability distribution of a continuous random variable, which is also called probability density function. Earlier we studied probability distribution of a discrete random variable. So now today's topic is probability distribution of a continuous random variable, which is also called probability density function. Unlike discrete probability distribution, a continuous probability distribution cannot be presented in a tabular form. It has either a formula form or a graphical form. So let x be a continuous random variable taking the values in the interval. Okay, in the interval suppose AB, let x be a continuous random variable taking values in this interval AB. Then a function Px is said to be probability density function if it satisfies the following properties. Okay, three properties. First one is probability of x is greater than equal to 0 for all x in the interval AB, in this closed interval AB. Okay, and the second one is for two distinct number C and D in the interval AB. Okay, then probability of this two, that means probability of x lies between this and C and D is given in this form integration, because here we get the area just because it is in continuous form, so we get the area. So it this probability can be represented in this way, not summation. Here we use integration, that means area from here to here Px dx. It is shown in this curve. This is a probability curve. Look here, along x axis we take the x variable x, and along y axis we take Px, that is probability. After plotting we get this probability curve. Okay, so the probability of x lies between C to D, that means integration of Px over the range C to D dx. So it will be the area from here to here, C, a particular value from C to D. So this is the area. Again, the total area under the probability curve is 1. That means the total area under this probability curve is 1, because it is a probability curve. So sum of the probability is 1. So here the total area is also 1. So that means that is probability of x lies between A to B. It means A to B whole area. So it is in terms of integration, it is integration of Px dx over the range A to B is equal to 1. So a function Px is said to be probability density function if it satisfies the following three conditions. So we somewhere use this probability function fx in the fx form also, but it doesn't matter. We can either write Px or Fx. Okay, so hope it is clear what is probability distribution of a continuous random variable. A function Px is said to be probability density function or probability distribution of a continuous random variable if it satisfies the following three properties. Okay, so hope you get the idea of probability density function. Thank you.